if you're not the, I'll say, expert at finances, you definitely need to get someone who actually is. And I know it's probably going to cost some money. However, it's going to save you money down the road because you'll have all of your expenses accounted for that you could write off on your taxes, or you would be able to make a decision based on what those numbers are saying, whether should I continue to sell this product or service? Is it a waste of my resources to even have it as a part of my service offering? But you won't know that until you're looking at the numbers, and the numbers pretty much tell the story. So that's how I got into it, is seeing business owners come into the branch, sitting down with me. They want to put in a loan application, whatever the financial need is at the time.
Mhm.
And in the discussion, I'm finding they're not realizing their income. They have invoices out there that nobody's collecting on, just all the things that are a part of the financial running of the business, and that's
Mhm.
the part that they weren't good at, or they didn't want to ask for their payment. Sometimes they do a job and they'd send an invoice and the customer 30, 60, 90 days in hadn't paid it.
Mhm.
Why hadn't they paid it? Well, you never asked them to pay the invoice. They figure, who knows what they're figuring, but
Mhm.
they'll pay it when they get around to it. But if they don't see the urgency from your end, then it's
Mhm.
not a big deal. And so now you have money out, like how they'll say you have money out in the streets.
Mhm.
However, it's not in your bank account because you
Yes.
didn't say, hey, your payment's
Pay
due,
me. Yeah.
the things of that nature.